the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I am going to talk about the ultimatemedium.com course part 7 in 30 part series, and today we are going to talk about how to get Creative Commons images for your Medium story. So what is Creative Commons or Creative Commons? Well, the thing is that Creative Commons is a license which lets you reuse pictures from the internet without any repercussions, and it can be any form of media, but here we are talking about pictures, images. And if it is Creative Commons 0, this means it's public domain, which means you are free to reuse without giving any citation to the image which you took from. And this is exactly why I have chosen pexels.com, my friends. And we are going to search for the keyword writing. And as you can see, there are many pictures over here. So I'll choose this mug one. I won't download it, but it says free download. See, free download, and I'm going to click more information. It gives you all the information, and free to reuse. I'm going to click this free to use. Are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or pixels is not necessary, but always appreciated. You can modify pictures and videos from pixel. Be creative and edit them as you like. So my friends, thing is that this is free to reuse. They are basically Creative Commons 0 images. This is the first method that I showed you. So I can copy this image, simply go to my Medium editor and just simply paste it over here, and I don't need to give a caption to this image at all. The second method is inbuilt tool from Medium, and this plus sign, if you hit it, you go to this mannequin, you hit that, and I'll write writing keyword. Very important keyword. These two keywords topics are hot topics on Medium, and some of the top writers on Medium are top of the list on for these topics, writing and reading. So these are the pictures. Let's choose this laptop one, to be honest with you. And if you see, the citation is given photo by, attribution is given photo by Glenn Carson's Peters on Unsplash, and the full link to the image is also given. So these are the two methods, my friends. You can there are so many websites that give you free to reuse images like Pixabay, Pexels, and many more. I can't name them, you have to search for it, but personally I use Pexels, and I think you should too. It's a very good platform, and as you saw the rules and regulations over there, you can simply use it from there. Thanks for watching, my friends. Stay tuned for part 8 coming right up.